Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to do another great review for you, and hopefully it'll help you make a decision on what you're looking at buying. Today is the Senso ActivBuds ActivBud over-the-ear headphones. If you've checked out my other videos, you'll see that I love headphones, I love music, so I have a lot of different headphones and I've done a lot of reviews. Senso is definitely one of my favorite brands. This pair of headphones is basically the next generation and upgrade to the S-250s. So what have they improved compared to the last version? They've improved the sound quality, which was a shock to me because it already had HD audio and they sound awesome. But you can tell that they've improved the sound quality. They've also made them, the old pair were, they were kind of sweatproof and they could kind of get wet, but they've improved the waterproof tech on these even more. So if you're going out, taking a jog out in the rain or anything, you don't have to worry about your headphones getting fried. They also then threw in some extra accessories that you get with the headphones, and I'll go in those here in a minute. But if you're new to Sensos, they are the #1 selling headphones on Amazon. And the reason that is, in my opinion, is because they make an awesome quality product that is comfortable. It has a snug fit. These are the over-the-ear versions. And they are a great price point. I kind of feel after all the other reviews I've done and other products I've had over the years that there are several expensive brands out there that are high-end, and Sensos is a fraction of that cost, and they're just as good as those high-end brands. So that's what makes me love them, that's what makes me keep going back to them, and I think that's what makes them such a popular seller. The range on these are incredible. It has a 30-foot range, so I can link it to my laptop and stream music and kind of get it almost pretty much everywhere around the house in the backyard. Also, when I go to the work, if I leave my phone on the desk, I can kind of get it all throughout my whole entire office. So the range is incredible on these. The battery life is approximately 8 hours. They last, I've yet to run them out in one day. So great battery life. Obviously, the heavier you use it, if you're using, answering the phones and all that kind of stuff, it uses more battery life. But like I said, it's lasted all day. Sensos also has a great warranty, so be sure to check that out. It's a 1-year warranty. They want to make sure you're happy with it. And I've never had a problem with all the various versions of these headphones that I've owned over the years. So let's get down to the headphones themselves. You have a right and left. You got the earbud here, which is flexible. They give a nice snug fit, so they fit very comfortably. It's angled, so you hear the sound perfect. At the top is the volume controls. And then on the bottom here is a little plastic flap, which is a little hard to get open because of the waterproofing. But that's how you charge it. Then you also get in the box some of the accessories that come with this. You get your charging USB cable, pretty straightforward. You get your hard carrying case, which is great because it fits the headphones. It'll fit a shuffle, a nano, and because it's hard case, you can throw it in a gym bag, in your purse or whatever, and you don't have to worry about it getting crushed and broken. So it's very nice. You also get a bag full of additional earpieces that are for different sizes and extras in case yours go bad or the ones on the headphones don't fit. Inside that bag, you'll also find these 2 little black discs, which are for cord management in case this cord is too long and you want to make it shorter. That's what these guys are for. So the bonus features that they've included in the S-255 set is they throw in this nice little wallet case, which you can put cash in or credit cards, and then it has a sticky back here. So you can just attach this to the back of your cell phone or your cell phone's case, which makes it convenient. And then they also included this little vent clip. And so what this does is it clips to your car's AC vent, and then they have this metal puck here that goes to the back of your phone in your case. and then your phone is hands-free. If you already have a magnetic case, then you just need this. So it's kind of a nice little bonus that they included. So like I said, I've loved Senso. They've been a great product. I would highly check them out. I'm going to include an Amazon link below, so you can go to there. You can read the other reviews. Be sure to go look at the S-250, because that was the product that this one is now replacing. You'll see how great reviews they have on that headphones. You know, I can't stress how awesome these things are. So be sure to check them out. And until the next review, you guys take it easy, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.